Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Let's start thing 2, chapter number 1, linear functions and graph, exercise 1a, question number 1. Write down the coordinates of the each points in the figure. The figure is shown in your screen. Now let's start. First of all, we have to see the x-axis of that point and then the y-axis. So for a, we can write a bracket. Now for a, the x-axis is -4, we can write at -4, then we put a comma, and then y-axis, the y-axis says it's -3. So the coordinates of our point A is -4 comma -3. What is about B? Similarly, we see the x-axis, that is -2 comma, and for y-axis it is 4, we can write 4. For point C, we write the x-axis, that is 3, then for y-axis it is 4. Okay, now for D, the x-axis is 4 and y-axis is 2. For E, x-axis is 1 and y-axis is also 1. Now for point F, the x-axis is +3 and y-axis is -3. So as you know, it's very easy. There are four x-axis. We can write it minus x-axis, y-axis positive, minus y-axis. So anything comes under these horizontal line will be a -y, and above this horizontal line it is positive y. Similarly, for this vertical y, vertical line, the right side is positive x-axis and left side is negative x-axis. Now moving towards the question number 2, plot the following points on the Cartesian graph. So this is our Cartesian graph. In this graph we have marked positive y, negative x and positive x. So let's start plotting the given points. First is P 2,5. It means the first letter shows the x-axis, the second letter shows the y-axis. So P will be drawn on the positive x-axis point 2 and 5 on the y-axis. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say it is something like here, P. Now Q is 1, 2. On x-axis 1, on y-axis 2. So here it is. Let's say it is here. That is Q. R -2, -1. So -1, -2, -2, -1. So on y-axis -1 is here. So our point will be something like that. That is our R. Now 6, -2. On x-axis we count on 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and y-axis is -2. So 1, 2. Our point will be something like that. For T, 3, -2. 3, -2. And last U, -1, -2. -1, 2. That is our U. So we can easily plot any point if coordinates are given. Now let's quickly move to the question number 3. The given equation is y is equal to 4x plus 5. then find y. The first condition is x is equal to 3. What is the equation given? We can write y is equal to 4x plus 5. Then put the value of this x, that is 3, in this equation. We get y is equal to 4 times of 3 plus 5. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 5, we get 17. So y is equal to 17 for first part. The second part, x is equal to minus 2. We can write y is equal to 4x plus 5. Then we put the value of x, that is minus 2, 4 minus 2 plus 5. Now 4 times minus 2 is, let's say it is plus, so plus minus 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 4 times 2 is 8, minus 8 plus 5, minus 8 plus 5 is, we get minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. This is the answer of our second part. So this is the first 3 question of exercise 1A. Hopefully you understand. If you have any problem regarding these 3 questions, feel free to ask. Kindly support me on my YouTube channel. Jazakallah.